Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to turn off screen notifications on iPhone. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to turn off screen notifications on your iPhone, it's as simple as say you want to disable the lock screen alert on your device. To do this, all you simply need to do is go ahead and tap on the settings application. On the settings page, scroll down, locate and click on notifications. Once you've selected notifications, first come to where you say show previews. Click on it and set this to never. So that is going to turn off screen notifications on your iPhone, so that whenever you have an incoming notifications on your iPhone, it's only going to tell you you have a notification and your iPhone is not going to show the notification on the screen. However, if you want to further customize the alert, you can stop notification for specific application from waking the screen. To do this, while on the notification page, go ahead and select the application. Then if this application is set to allow notifications, simply turn off allow notifications. So this application will stop sending notifications to your iPhone. Or better still, if you don't want to show notifications on lock screen, come to AC alert and then uncheck lock screen. Once you uncheck lock screen, you are good. You have notifications on your iPhone, but notifications will stop showing on the lock screen. And that's it. So that is basically how to turn off screen notifications on iPhone. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.